Welcome, everyone, to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you how you can install Vegas 19 on your PC for free. It contains no cryptic virus like other channels provide you, and you can keep the Windows Defender on and is totally legit. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight to work. First, you need to download the zip file of setup that I have provided you in description box. After downloading that zip file, open it and you will find a setup file for Vegas and a crack file to patch it. Now open the setup. And select the components you would like to install. For now I will only install Vegas 19 cause I have plugins already installed. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to download depending on your network speed. After the installation is complete, another setup will pop up and you can follow the steps as I do.
When I said I need you, why the fuck would I lie? Call me in the morning, I know you're with another guy. And I just wanna love you, but now I'm out of grow. Without you by my side, every day and night.
And how do you seem to find a way to make things worse when I don't try? You know that I just want you out here making it hard for us. And I can't seem to trust you, but I can't give it up. Something keeps on pulling me back in, cause I can't get enough.
When I said I need you, why the fuck would I lie? Call me in the morning, I know you're with another guy.
Now, our Vegas 19 is installed, so let's patch it. Go to the same zip file folder and there you will find a crack zip file. Open that zip file and run the Magix setup and follow the steps as I do.
A part of us we're caught up in. Wish that I could undo the part where we lost all of it. It's slow for us. I fight for your love. I would give them all just to know that if you might be the one.
When I said I need you, why the fuck would I lie? Call me in the morning, I know you're with another guy. And I just wanna love you, but now I'm out of grow. Without you by my side, every day and night. When I said I need you, why the fuck would I lie? Call me in the morning, I know you're with another guy. And I just wanna love you, but now I'm out of grow. Without you by my side, every day and night.
And how do you seem to find a way to make things worse when I don't try? You know that I just want you out here making.
If this worked for you, drop a comment, like, share with homies, and subscribe for more. See you guys next time.
Something keeps on pulling me back in, cause I can't get enough.
When I said I